Welcome to my channel AKS Bright. Today start the 11th computer application unit 2. So already one unit complete, no, 11th computer science and computer application, same concept is there. First unit complete. Yeah, this is the second unit, computer application, number system. That is the difference. So fundamentals of computers, chapter 2, number system. So you know that number system already learned the 11th and 12th number system. So number system means we calculate the ordinal number, hexadecimal number and decimal number. So different categories is there. So what is the first of all, what is the data? Data means collection of information is called the data. For example, one person, that name, age, what mark, what class, subject. That is the collection of information. That is the collection of information. Okay, so that is called the data. So here the above example assign the 5 different variables. Okay, so different categories using that information is called to Rajesh. Okay, here data representation. So what is a data? So number of information is called the data. So when above the data process the information, Rajesh 60 years old, 11th standard, that boy scored the marks 65. So that is the computer science group boy. Yeah, this is the information, that is called the data. Data represented means what? What the data representation? Here computer handle the data is the zeros and one. So every data convert to the machine language, data stored to zeros and one. So understood the computer, the zeros and one, computer can understand the machine language. Understand the machine language. Zeros and one is called the binary digit. That is called the bit. So therefore the study of the data represented in the computer important. Yeah, here the every data stored to the zeros and one. Zeros one is called the machine language. The data stored to the binary. Binary is called the bit. So bit is start from the binary digit. Bit is start from the binary digit. So everything stored to zeros and one. Okay. The nipple means collection of 4-bit data. Then collection of 8 bits of called the byte. Collection of 8 bits called the byte. 4-bit nipple, 8-bit byte. The bytes is considered of the basic and the measure of the memory size in the computer. So word length, how to calculate the word length? So word length, for example, word length 8 bit to 32 16 64 bit, also using the characters. Okay. Yeah, here bit. Yeah, see this the pyramid, bit, nipple, byte, kilobyte and megabyte, then gigabyte and terabyte. Note this. So computer memory, main memory, secondary memory, two memory is there. Main memory and secondary memory represent the terms the kilobytes, megabytes in decimal system. So 1 kilo represent the 1000, 10 power of q. Okay, so kilobytes represent the 1024 bytes, 2 power of 10. Okay, yeah, here short form the tables is there: kilo, mega, giga and beta, hexa, giga and eta. Okay, bytes or represent the character test. Different types of coding scheme use the represent the characters and set the certain number. The most commonly used the coding the American Standard Code to informations, is ASCII value. So American Standard Code informations. Yeah, the 0 to 9 to 127 characters using ASCII value 32 ASCII value of 0 to 48. The range of the ASCII value lowercase alphabet 97. The other range is the 97 to 122 range. The ASCII value of the uppercase alphabet 0 to 99. 90. So all of you understood. So different types of numerical number system. Next class continue watch my video. Continue watch only you understood this lesson. If not having book, so watch my video, learn the lesson. Please, if like this video, please share your friends, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.